Bangladesh 122-member tri-service contingent of its defence forces has arrived in India to participate in the 26th January Republic Day parade. Bidding adieu to the contingent as it took off from Dhaka on a special C-17 Indian Air Force carrier, the Indian High Commission in Bangladesh tweeted, "Together we fought, together we march." They also said, "This is only the third time in the 70-odd years of our republic that we have a foreign military contingent participate in our parade." After the parade, Indian Air Force will ferry back the contingent to Dhaka on January 30th. This year marks the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh's independence and the birth centenary of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. As per the sources, the Sheikh Hasina government could reciprocate the gesture once the COVID-19 pandemic is over. As per reports, Colonel Muhammad Muhtashim Haidar Chaudhry will be leading the contingent, which includes the parade and a military band. Ishfaq Ilahi Chaudhry, who served as Air Commodore in Bangladesh's Air Force, told India Narrative, "This is a very special moment for us in Bangladesh as it further cements bilateral ties between the two neighbors, which already have a strong bond. This shows that we have fought the 1971 war together, and it is indeed a very touching gesture." While the two countries have shared close economic and political ties, this move gives a new dimension to relations between the two countries. This signifies military cooperation, and that is an important message to the world. On Tuesday, a first-of-its-kind delegation-level virtual dialogue was held between the police chiefs of India and Bangladesh. Vikram Doraiswamy, Indian High Commissioner to Bangladesh, said in a tweet that this would enhance existing cooperation, and this new mechanism seeks to address emerging security and counter-terrorism challenges. India has requested Bangladeshi startups, academia and students to participate in the upcoming virtual international summit Prarambh, aimed at encouraging startups.
Prarambh, Utsaha, Parambalam. Startup India International Summit.
On December 17th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina held a virtual bilateral summit, signing a host of MOUs and inaugurating the Haldibari-Chilahati railway links connecting the two countries. PM Modi will also be joining the 26th March celebrations in Dhaka to mark the 50 years of independence of Bangladesh.